2500 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Thank you, good day, Air India 442 India November.
Frequency change approved Express India 023, good day.
Miles north of Sagar at 19,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Cathay 831 Victor Alpha, unable to provide services to this airport at the moment. Proceed on course. Emirates 063 India November Super, increase speed to 240 knots.
Roger, Cathay 831 Victor Alpha.
Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super is 8 nautical miles northwest of Al Satar at 14,100 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, reduce speed to 240 knots. Reduce speed to 240 knots. Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super.
Increase speed to 240 knots. Emirates 063 India November Super.
Cathay 831 Victor Alpha, do not exceed 280 knots. Emirates 380 is 7 nautical miles northwest of Dubai International at 3,300 feet, requesting radar vectors to London Heathrow.
Do not exceed 280 knots. Cathay 831 Victor Alpha. Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super is 15 nautical miles north of Al Satar at 17,100 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, request frequency change.
November 789 Charlie Sierra, requesting climb to flight level 410.
Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, disregard last message. Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, stand by. November 789 Charlie Sierra, contact Tehran Center on 127.0.
Emirates 136 Victor Alpha Super is 13 nautical miles northwest of Qatar at 20,500 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Dubai International.
Emirates 380, unable at this time. Proceed on course to London Heathrow.
Contacting Tehran Center on 127.0, November 789 Charlie Sierra.
Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, unable to provide services to this airport at the moment. Proceed on course. Roger, Emirates 380. Emirates 136 Victor Alpha Super, unable to provide services to this airport at the moment. Proceed on course. Cathay 250 Victor Alpha, radar contact. Emirates Center, Emirates 084, review at 2,300. Cathay 250 Victor Alpha, hold present position at flight level 180, right turns. Do not exceed 260 knots. Holding present position at flight level 180, right turns. Cathay 250 Victor Alpha. Emirates 084, thank you. Emirates 063 India November Super, thank you, good day. Emirates 063 India November Super, contact Dubai arrivals on 124.9. Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, thank you, good day.
Contacting Dubai arrivals on 124.9. Emirates 063 India November Super.
Contacting Dubai arrivals on 124.9. Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super. Emirates 084, flight following request not required us to check in. I'm sorry, Emirates 084.
Emirates Center, Emirates 325 India November Super, with you at 22,800, descending via Cuba 5 Charlie arrival. KLM 125 Heavy is 24 nautical miles west of Siri Island at 24,200 feet, requesting ILS approach
127.0, Emirates 541 Super, Sky Dubai 305, contact Tehran Center on 127.0. Contacting Tehran Center on 127.0, Sky Dubai 305.
Shabira 25 Papa Bravo, requesting ILS approach any runway at Dubai International. Emirates 44 Quebec Romeo Super is 13 nautical miles west of Qatar at 19,600 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Jazeera 25 Papa Bravo, unable to provide services to this airport at the moment. Proceed on course.
Roger, Shabira 25 Papa Bravo. Lima Yankee Juliet 4512 is 3 nautical miles northwest of Dubai International at 1,900 feet, requesting eyes approach any runway at Abu Dhabi.
Lima Yankee Juliet 4512, unable to provide services to this airport at the moment. Proceed on course.
Roger, Lima Yankee Juliet 4512.
Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, reduce speed to 240 knots. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, maintain present speed.
Reduce speed to 240, maintain present speed, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy.
Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, thank you, good day. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo.
Contacting Dubai arrivals on 124.9er, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy.
Emirates 380, stay on my frequency.
KLM 87 Heavy, request Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy is 19 nautical miles west of Fujairah International at 11,600 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left of Dubai International.
KLM 87 Heavy.
Emirates 119 Victor Alpha Super, contact Dubai Tower on 126.77.
Contacting Dubai Tower on 126.77, Emirates 119 Victor Alpha Super.
Emirates 155 Victor Alpha Super, turn right heading 270, maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left approach. Turn right heading 270, maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left, Emirates 155 Victor Alpha Super, Emirates 380, contact Emirates Center on 127.0.
Contacting Emirates Center on 127.0, Emirates 380.
Emirates 155 Victor Alpha Super, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Emirates 155 Victor Alpha Super. Dubai arrival, Cathay A31 Victor Alpha, with you at 11,000, descending via Cuba 5 Charlie arrival. Emirates 155 Victor Alpha Super, contact Dubai Tower on 126.77. Cathay A31 Victor Alpha, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Contacting Dubai Tower on 126.77, Emirates 155 Victor Alpha Super. Roger, Cathay, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, descend and maintain 6,000. Descend and maintain 6,000, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, reduce speed to 210 knots.
Reduce speed to 210 knots, Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super.
Emirates 063 India November Super, turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 3000. Turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 3000, Emirates 063 India November Super, Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, descend and maintain 4000.
Descend and maintain 4000, Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super.
Emirates 136 Victor Alpha Super is 16 nautical miles west of Ras Al Khaimah at 11,000 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Dubai International. Emirates 063 India November Super. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, continuous file. Expect the ILS approach runway 30 left of Dubai International. Roger, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. Emirates 063 India November Super, turn right heading 270, descend and maintain 2500, maintain 2500 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left approach. Turn right heading, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, descend and maintain 5000. Descend and maintain 5000, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. Dubai arrival, KLM 125 Heavy, with the of 13,700. KLM 125 Heavy, continuous file. Expect the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Roger, KLM 125 Heavy. Emirates 063 India November Super, contact Dubai Tower on 126.77. Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 3000. Contacting Dubai Tower on 126.77, Emirates 063 India November Super.
Turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 3000. Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super.
Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, turn left heading 210, descend and maintain 4000. Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, descend and maintain 5000. Cathay 831 Victor Alpha, descend and maintain 5. Turn left heading 210, descend and maintain 4000. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. KLM 125 Heavy, disregard last message. KLM 125 Heavy, disregard last message. KLM 125 Heavy, turn right heading 130, descend and maintain 11,000. Turn right heading 130, descend and maintain 11,000. KLM 125 Heavy. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, turn left heading 150, descend and maintain 3000. Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, turn right heading 270, maintain 3000. Turn left heading 150, descend and maintain 3000. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. 1,100 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, turn left heading 120. Turn left heading 120, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy.
Dubai arrival. Sky Dubai 305, with you at 12,200, descending via Group 3 Charlie arrival.
Emirates 325 India November Super, continuous file. Expect the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Emirates 44 Quebec Romeo Super, continuous file. Expect the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Roger, Emirates 325 India November Super. Sky Dubai 305, continuous file. Expect the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Roger, Sky Dubai 305.
Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, descend and maintain 4000. Cathay 831 Victor Alpha, descend and maintain 4000. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, turn right heading 200, maintain 3000. Turn right heading 200, maintain 3000. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. Cathay 831 Victor Alpha, reduce speed to 180 knots. Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, reduce speed to 180 knots. Reduce speed to 180 knots. Cathay 831 Victor Alpha, reduce speed to 180 knots. Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super.
Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, request frequency change.
Cathay 840 Victor Alpha Super, stand by. Emirates 216 Super is 16 nautical miles west of Ras Al Khaimah at 11,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. KLM 125 Heavy, please follow instructions. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, turn right heading 270, maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left at turn right heading 270, maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. Emirates 48 Delta is 24 nautical miles south of Siri Island at 12,200 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Dubai International. KLM 125 heavy, turn right heading 150, maintain 9000. Turn right heading 150, maintain 9000, KLM 125 heavy. Emirates 216 Super, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Emirates 48 Delta, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Roger, Emirates 216 Super. Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 3000. Roger, Emirates 48 Delta. Turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 3000. Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super.
Emirates 237 Quebec Romeo Super is 17 nautical miles west of Kasab at 17,400 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Emirates 237 Quebec Romeo Super, contact Emirates Center on 127.0.
Oscar Kilo Echo Delta Charlie Tango Echo is 16 nautical miles west of Ras Al Khaimah at 11,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Cathay 250 Victor Alpha is 17 nautical miles northwest of Fujairah International at 14,400.
Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final.
Turn right heading 27.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. Cathay A350 Victor Alpha, turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 3000. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super. Emirates 136 Victor Alpha Super, descend and maintain 4000. Emirates 063 India November Super, turn right heading 120. Turn right heading 120. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, contact Dubai Kilo Heavy, wind 320 at Niner, number 1, runway 30 left, clear to land. Sky Dubai 727, number 1, clear to land, runway 30 left, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. Contacting Emirates Center on 127.0, Sky Dubai 727. Emirates 158 Heavy, wind 320 at Niner, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Emirates 158 Heavy. Royal Air America 454, line up and wait runway 30 right.
Line up and wait runway 30 right, Royal Air America 454.
500.
Dubai Tower, Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, inbound on the ILS runway 30 left.
400. $300.
Emirates 158 Heavy, contact Emirates Center on 127.0. Contacting Emirates Center on 127.0, Emirates 158 Heavy. Royal Air America 454, wind 320 at Niner, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff.
50.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Royal Air America 454.
10.
Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, wind 320 at Niner, number 1, runway 30 left, clear to land. Number 1, clear to land, runway 30 left, Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super. Emirates 258 Super, contact Emirates Center on 127.0. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, when able turn left, contact ground on the taxiway. Dubai Tower, Cathay A351 Victor Alpha, inbound on the ILS runway 30 left. Wilco, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. Dubai Tower, Lufthansa 104 Victor Bravo, ready for departure at runway 30 right, departing straight out. Lufthansa 104 Victor Bravo, line up and wait runway 30 right. Dubai Tower, China Southern 3, ready for departure, inbound on the ILS runway 30 left. Emirates 258 Super, wind 320 at Niner, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff. Emirates 158 Heavy, line up and wait runway 30 right. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, wind 320 at Niner, number 1, runway 30 left, cleared to land. Sky 25727, contact Emirates Center on 127.0. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 30 left, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, contacting Emirates Center on 127.0, Sky 25727. Emirates 158 Heavy, wind 320 at Niner, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Emirates 158 Heavy. Royal Air America 454, line up and wait runway 30 right.
Line up and wait runway 30 right, Royal Air America 454.
Dubai Tower, Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, inbound on the ILS runway 30 left. Emirates 158 Heavy, contact Emirates Center on 127.0. Contacting Emirates Center on 127.0, Emirates 158 Heavy. Royal Air America 454, wind 320 at Niner, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Royal Air America 454.
Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, wind 320 at Niner, number 1, runway 30 left, cleared for land. Number 1, cleared for land, runway 30 left, Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, Emirates 258 Super, contact Emirates Center on 127.0.
Emirates 258 Super.
Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, runway 30 left, contact Emirates on taxiway. Dubai 31 Victor Alpha, inbound on the ILS runway 30 left. Wilco, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. Dubai Tower, Lufthansa 104 Victor Bravo, ready for departure at runway 30 right, departing straight on. Lufthansa 104 Victor Bravo, line up and wait runway 30 right. Dubai Tower, China Southern 3, ready for departure at runway 30 right, departing route. New Zealand 1706, wind 320 at Niner, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, New Zealand 1706. Line up and wait runway 30 right, Lufthansa 104 Victor Bravo. Royal Air America 454, contact Emirates Center on 127.0. Thank you, good day, New Zealand 1706. November 448. Contacting Emirates Center on 127.0, Emirates 158 Heavy. Royal Air America 454, wind 320 at Niner, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Royal Air America 454.
Emirates 120 Victor Alpha Super, wind 320 at Niner, number 1, runway 30 left, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 30 left, runway 30 right, departing roof. New Zealand 1706, wind 320 at Niner, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, New Zealand 1706. Line up and wait runway 30 right, Lufthansa 104 Victor Bravo. Royal Air America 454, contact Emirates Center on 127.0. Thank you, good day, New Zealand 1706. November 448 Delta Mike, request frequency change. China Southern 3, your number 3 for departure. Roger, China 73. Lufthansa 104. Dubai ground, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, request taxi to gate D05 at the concourse A. Emirates 457, you were already instructed to change frequency. Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy, taxi to concourse at gate D05 via Kilo 9er, Kilo, Juliet 2. Taxiing to concourse at gate D05 via Kilo 9er, Kilo, Juliet 2, Emirates 541 Echo Kilo Heavy. Dubai ground, cross runway 30 left. Dubai ground, November 448 Delta Mike, ready for pushback with information Kilo.
Dubai ground, Saudia 591, ready for pushback with information Kilo, requesting runway 30 right.